Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So ngayong araw, no, we have another Casual Chuck reaction. We are going to react to amazing stories behind SB19's rare photos, man. It's been a long time. Matagal na ba? Parang kasi ang tagal na simula nung huling beses na nakapanood ako ng... Kasi, again, since na subscribe ako kay Casual Chuck and we've been watching Casual Chuck's documentaries and videos, no? So, sometimes nagpo-pop na lang yung mga sa recommendation ko, yung mga videos niya, especially about SB19, because of course, most of the videos that we watch for Casual Chuck videos is about SB19, right? And lumabas to, no? And the last time that I watched Casual Chuck was when? 6 days ago. Okay, so we reacted to Filipinos who made Pinoy proud. Oh yeah. Okay, all right. I just remember Filipinos who made Pinoy proud. I want to watch the part 2 of that, or episode 2, but now we have amazing stories behind SB19's rare photos, man. Without no further ado, let's get it.
January 16, 2017.
Okay.
A popular noontime
January 16, 2017, anong ginagawa ko nun? I am working as nag-work ako sa home credit. Yung alam niyo yung bago-bago pa yung home credit nung time na yun, no? So, ang trabaho ko doon is yung nagko-process ng loans, no? Nagko-process ng loan. Yeah.
show Eat Bulaga ran their daily segment called Pinoy Henyo. Each day features random contestants ranging from different walks of life. And it just so happened that, at this time, they were featuring a K-pop dance cover group called K-Trops. Did you know that Justin was one of them?
Oh, okay,
Yep,
yeah.
You're not hallucinating. That is the would-be SB19 main visual and
Okay, so Justin, yung nga, ano ba, ba't naisip ko na parang Justin, yung name na Justin is a screen name, no? Justin naman talaga pala pangalan niya. Inisip ko. Tagot naman tong aso.
Yup, you're not hallucinating. That is the would-be SB19 main visual and
Yup.
creative director.
Yep.
The game was so fun because there was a part where Justin had to mention all the veggies from the song Bahay Kubo just to get one answer correctly.
Tao, bagay, gulay.
Come on, man. Ngayon ba kaibigan pa rin itong mga to? Member ng K-Trops. Ano ba ng K-Trops? Korean troop or Korean tropa? Pero I assume kaibigan pa rin itong mga to, ano? Pero isipin mo na lang, no? 2017. Di mo kakalain na after few years, man, ganito yung gagawin niya. Ganito yung gagawin nila. Kasama siya, si Justin. No? Just imagine. Hindi mo talaga alam no? Hindi mo talaga alam. Kaya, I mean, like ko siya sabi ng mga nakaraang video natin, no? Na pag gusto mo and you feel like pagaling ka sa bagay na yon, man, kasi walang magagawa kung di ka mag-take risk eh. Di ba? Malay mo, man. Di ba? Malay mo. Yeah.
Nasa bahay ko ba?
Oo!
Sigamas, talong, sigarilyas, mane, sitaw, pataw, patani, bundol, patola.
Tapos nasa pinakahuli pa, no? Ay, maraming linga. Nasa pinakahuli pa.
Upot, kalabasa, labanus mo, stasa.
Labanus, mus, tasa. Kala mo talaga magkaiba yung salitang mus tsaka yung tasa, eh, no?
Sibuyas, kamatis. Linga.
They would go on to win 30,000 pesos.
Nice.
Not bad at all. After the game, Eat Bulaga snapped this photo and congratulated them on Facebook. And this is just one of the many rare and fascinating SB19 photos that have backstories that you have to see to believe.
All right. Hey, oh, I missed this, man. Yung mga good intros and outros ni Casual Chuck, no? And yung paano niya binibuild up yung bago yung intro or binibuild up bago matapos yung docu or yung video. Then, yeah, yung choice of like the music, man. Making me hype, no? Aga-aga pa, oras pa lang, 5 pa lang, or, no, I mean 5:53, man, ng umaga. And what happened? Okay.
Back in 2016, Pinoy K-pop Star happened, where Filipinos competed in performing the songs of their beloved K-pop idols. The competition was tough because the contestants were the best of the best representing different parts of the country.
Hindi sa lang, dati parang ano eh, no? Parang, like, yung mga pinaka-first na nag-react ako sa SB19. Hindi pa sobrang pamilyar sa akin yung mukha nila. Pero ngayon parang naispatan ko na agad eh. Kasi tinan mo,
Where Filipinos
si
competed in
Stel yung nasa likod.
performing the songs of their beloved K-pop idols. The competition was tough because the contestants were the
Okay,
best of the best
spot.
representing different parts of
Spotted.
the country.
Yep.
At the end of the event, this photo was taken. And if you look hard enough, you'd recognize
Okay, so let's see sino ma-recognize natin dito. Of course, here's Pinuno. We have Ken. We have I'm sorry. Yeah, Estel. So tatlo lang sila, di ba? Right? Ken, Pablo, and Stel. Wala pa, right? Kasi I assume, nung time na to, si Josh is parang ina-idolize pa lang. Inaano ko na yung timeline ko, base sa pagkakaintindi ko, no? Lahat ng mga inaaral ko, lahat ng mga pinanood kong docu si Casual Chuck, man, kailangan natin maano yung timeline. So I feel like ito yung time, or around this time, 2016, ito yung time na ina-idolize pa ni Josh si Stel. So dahil doon, of course, ibig sabihin, parang hindi pa kasali or di pa ganun kataas yung mga sinasalihan, I assume, yung mga competition ni Josh kaysa kay Stel. Okay? Tama ba? Tama.
these three. Pablo joined the vocal category. Stel was in the performance category with Nyx, also known as Seon.
No. Wait. So kumakanta si ano dito? Habang nag-perform si Stel?
As well as Ken with Amigo 7.
Hey!
At the time, none of them even won in the competition.
Oh, okay.
But ironically, it would actually be them who would go on to become the SB19 we now know and rewrite P-pop history.
Diba? Nga, dapat hindi ka, parang, kung gusto mo maabot yung ganito, no? And alam mo, magaling ka sa talent mo, at hindi ka madaling ma-discourage, eh. Diba? Kasi tira mo, hindi nga sila nanalo dito, diba? Tatlo sila na member ng SB19 na sumali sa competition na yon, pero hindi isa sa kanila hindi nanalo, no? So, pag iba nun, madi-discourage ka agad, no? Mawalan ka na ng gana. Mawalan ka na lang ng chance, di ba? Oh, if you think about it, di ba? Kung nawalan ka ng gana, mawalan ka na ng chance at the same time para makuha yung gusto mo in the first place. Ba't ka nagka-practice na maging magaling sa ganito, magaling sa ganyan, di ba? Kung ayaw ka. Yeah.
If this photo tells us anything, it's that we never truly know who's next up. This young choreographer, this versatile singer, and this daredevil were good. But no one could have predicted that they would go on to be the biggest group the country has ever seen in the history of P-pop. Not Ken, not Stel, and certainly not Pablo himself. I mean, they didn't even know each other yet. After a year, Pinoy K-pop Star 2017 happened. This time,
Okay.
we got Josh, Pablo, Stel, and Justin together as they already started
Oh, okay. So, I'm sorry.
This time, we got Josh, Pablo, Stel, and Justin together as they already started their training with Show PT.
Okay. So, ang pinaka nauna pala is si Justin. Na unang nag-training Justin, Stel, and Josh, no? And then, I assume Pablo, and then of course, pinaka-uli is si Ken.
They were not yet called SB19, but they were already performing some would-be SB19 songs like Love Goes and Tila Luha.
Oo nga, no? Okay. So, wait, why? What? So, kung pina-perform na nila dati yung Tila Luha and Love Goes before pa nabuo yung SB19. So, basically, ano ba? Sino ba yung original na gumawa nitong kantang to? Or... Okay. I'm waiting on the comment again. Comment section. Hindi ko na lang.
Going back to the contest, they looked promising on stage. But unfortunately, they didn't win. This photo was then taken after the event, and I absolutely agree that it's weird seeing them without Ken.
Yeah, sure. I mean, now, no? It's weird. Kasi, malima, right? But syempre, di ba, nung una, hindi pa nila ina-expect, no? And yun talaga yung kulang Yun talaga yung kulang, yung binaka missing piece ng napakalaig puzzle, no? Para maging masterpiece. Oh,
Fast forward to 2019 comes this photo.
huh?
This was taken in their very first big TV network guesting, which is remarkable. What's more remarkable was that they were wearing their signature shirt that they actually used many times in different events because they couldn't afford a nice
Wait. Okay. All right. Correct me if I'm wrong. Is this the shirt? No. Wait. Ito ba yung shirt na suot nila nung... Hindi. Okay. Nasisip ko kasi ito yung shirt na suot nila nung ini-interview sila ng mga kupal na interviewer. Hindi ko pa napanood yun actually, yung full video nun. Kasi sabi nyo kasi ang hirap panoorin, so hindi ko pa napanood. But yeah. Alam ko parang kasi tinatanong dun si Stel, nung time na yun. And sa pagkakalala ko siya dun, parang naka-polo. And parang, ano tawag sa ganyan? Pang Bruno Mars.
their signature shirt that they actually used many times in different events because they couldn't afford a nice variety at the time. This photo also tells the story when, according to some fans, they got disrespected on live TV because the hosts were throwing unnecessary jokes and made fun of them.
Get in the zone, break. Hi, we are SB19. Hello, everyone.
Oh, okay. All right. So this is the time na yung kay Robbie. Okay, all right. That makes sense.
Get in the zone, break. Hi, we are SB19. Hello, everyone. I'm the main dancer of SB19. My name is Ken.
The main dancer, youngest, asthmatic.
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 Yung charismatic siya, asthmatic. May asthma ka ba? May asthma ka ba?
Okay.
The braces. Okay. Anong grade mo na ba? Grade 5 ka ba? Kasi yung pag-tuck-in mo, grabe.
Pangarap ko ang...
Dapat nag-audition ka sa
Kuya
Voice
Robby,
Kids.
hindi-
Na-realize ko na bakit ang ganda at saka ang taas ng boses niya.
bakit?
Ang sigip ng pantalon niyo.
Dito po kumukuha ng energy po talaga.
Naipit.
Pero ang ganda ng ang ganda ng balik ng ang galing nila mag-respond, no? Parang kahit I don't know, siguro hindi rin naman serious na sa Jenny Robbie, no? So it's like a joke, no? Kasi ginagawa din naman ni Vice Ganda yan, 'di ba? Siguro hindi na siya naglaland ng maganda as kung paano siya ginagawa ni Vice Ganda, no? Pero ang maganda doon is maganda yung pagtanggap nung joke ng SB19, no? Na ano nila, na parang nadala nila yung joke, no? Hindi siya nagmumukhang awkward kasi yung respond nila is hindi awkward, right? Ginagawa din nilang joke, right? Ayan.
The good thing about it was that the hosts apologized and SB19 didn't get offended in the first place. In fact, they are very good friends and are actively supporting each other to this day.
Nice.
Now, usually, when you take a look at the picture, you'd already know the story. But some pictures are just not what they seem. A good example is this one. You could easily assume that Josh and Ken were doing an emotional interview, but the truth is,
Naiiyak na ako.
Masarap siya pero sobrang anghang naman. Grabe naman to.
Wait. So, kumakain sila ng ano? Ano ba tawag dyan? Samyang? Ako talaga titignan mo. Akala mo ini-interview sila or nag-ano sila, ano? Naglalabasan ng sawa ng loob or... Kasi yung kay ano kasi, yung kay Josh kasi parang naiyak eh.
but the truth is,
Naiiyak na ako.
Masarap siya pero sobrang anghang naman. Grabe naman to.
Nagsisi ako.
Show break ba to? Man. Wanna watch show break?
okay, those noodles must be extremely spicy because it made the Spicy King cry. And I just feel sorry for this guy.
Spicy King cry. So, maglakas kumain or sabi ko sana magaling kumain. What? Pause, man. Malakas kumain si Ken ng maanghang. Okay, but until si...
In the Philippines, many up-and-coming artists take advantage of the Wish Bus to promote their music.
Yep.
And SB19 members are not strangers to that. This photo was taken on their very first Wish Bus performance. The insane thing about this photo is that they barely had any audience. If you compare it to their
Oh, what the fuck? Yun naman sa labas. Yun naman sa labas, man. And of course, at the same time, yung aura nila, no? Alam mo yung tipong dito, ito picture nila. Yung mga tao, dumadaan sa gilid, na parang napalingon lang na, ano yun, ba't may Wish Bus doon? Sinong nagpe-perform, di ba? Kasi, I assume, during this time, again, Wish Bus is kilala na, no? Kasi matagal naman na. And look at their face in here. Yung dating nila, no? Para silang, paano ba yan? Parang yung yung pinaka basic form ng Pokemon. Alam mo yun, hindi pa nag-evolve, no? Pero pa sila, cute, no? Parang bata-bata pa. And then, look at this. Like, sobrang iba yung aura, no? Napaka-intimidating na parang sila nag-evolve, no? Parang from Charmander, like, Bulbasaur and Squirtle to, like, Venusaur, and then Charizard, and then Blastoise, no? And at the same time, no, yung maraming ay dinadaan-daanan lang, no, napapatingin lang ngayon, nagkakos ng traffic, no?
their latest Wish Bus performance, you can clearly see what I'm talking about.
Oh, shit.
And guess
come
what?
on, man.
I was there to witness.
Oh,
history.
really?
Trending naman sa Twitter ang comeback performance ng P-pop group na SB19 sa Wish Bus kahapon.
They are not even outside performing, no? Just think about it, no? Lahat ng tao niyang pumunta dyan, no? Para supportan yung SB19, no? Hindi nga sila nagpa-perform outside, no? Merong angulo. I don't know kung meron silang merong malaking parang pinandang screen yung of course Wish dito, no? Kasi if you think about it, kung dito ka sa bandang gilid, di mo na makikita kasi pader na yan ng Wish Bus eh. Right? Yeah.
And when it comes to history, who would forget about SB19's first nationwide tour? Their Manila concert tickets were sold out in just 3 minutes, and their performances were nothing short of spectacular. Before they ended the concert, they gave AT the most heartfelt message ever.
18, kayong MVP. Dati lagi ko sinasabi na gumagawa ako, sinusulat ako ng kanta para sa sarili ko. Pero ngayon, kayo na yung dahilan. Maraming salamat. Sana patuloy na supportan yung grupo namin hanggang sa huli. Mahal na mahal namin kayo.
Gusto ko malaman nyo, gusto ko i-share sa lahat na kahit ano pa yung pinagdadaanan natin. Patuloy tayo sa suko. Kasi lahat po ng paghihirap din natin, lahat ng pinagdaanan natin,
Very emotional si ano eh, no? Josh.
And dahil sa inyo, nagbago ang buhay namin lima.
Nice, man.
At at the end, kasama po namin kayo sa mga pangarap.
Nakakaano naman. I mean, kasi pag galing kay Josh, no? Lalo na yung... Again, di ko siya sabing pag galing sa ibang member, hindi na parang nakakaiyak or nakakaano ng damdamin, no? Pero pag galing kay Josh kasi, no? And may isip mo yung mga pinagdaanan niya, no? And pagkakasabi niya na, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat, nagbago yung buhay naming lima. Diba? Habang yung naiiyak siya. Parang, come on, man. Deserve mo yan. Yeah.
Namin, hindi lang po para sa amin yung pangarap namin, pero sa buong Pilipinas. Gusto ko na future makilala po tayo sa buong mundo. Mayangat yung economy ng buong Pilipinas. Kasama lahat natin.
Yun talaga yung pinaka-ano nila, eh, no? Pinaka-goal nila, eh, no?
Ang SB natin.
Gusto ko sana kantayin natin sabay-sabay yung team song natin. Kasi po, ito po yung kanta na pinakamalapit sa puso namin. Ito po yung kanta na nagdala sa amin, sa inyo. Namit namin kayo lahat.
Paano kaya, no? Paano kaya, no? Kathat yung team song natin, no? Tapos lang, wag mong ikanat ang iyong no. Oh, ganun yung... What if, no? What if tinroll nila yung mga, yung 18, lahat na nanonood. After lang umiyak, ganyan yung kantay nila.
From then on, yung pangarap natin sabay-sabay na umaangat na.
Ito, SLMT.
Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Pagbilang ko ng tatlo, sabay-sabay natin ang tayo ko. 1, 2, 3, go!
Tanging liwanag ang nakikita.
Okay. Go up, no? Okay. Akala ko SLMT. Go. Ready. You know I'm ready. Nag-e-echo din yung nanonood, no? Yung fans sa kumakanta.
Kailangan sa liwasa, ilog na.
Just realized na sobrang ba... I don't know why SLMT yung nasa isip ko na kanta, ipapakanta nila dito. Pero makes sense na go up, no? Kasi yung meaning ng kanta after nung speech nila dito, no? So makes sense. And at the same time, go up din yung parang pinaka-debut song nila. Diba? Yan yung pinaka-panimula, right? Think about it. So yan. Ganun pa eh. Let's go. Oh, imagine, nandito ka, no? It's parang sobrang special ng moment na to, no? Lalo na sa mga fans, at the same time sa kanila, most probably, no? Just imagine, a coliseum or like an events place, no, na punong-puno ng tao, kinakanta yung kanta mo, a cappella, right? Alam nila yung kada words ng kanta, sinulat mo, no? Oof. Hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman ko kung saan nangyari yun, no? Pwede na ako mamatay after nung araw na yan.
Hindi ako makapaniwala na makakapag-perform ako sa ganito kalaking stage kasama kayo na. Hindi ko alam kung paano kayo pasalamatan pero sobrang
And this was the moment when this wholesome photo got immortalized.
Yes, sir.
This also became one of the many reasons why fans fell in love with them even more. Now talking about love, far before SB19 got big, they were huge
Anong tingin yan, ha?
Now talking about love, far before SB19 got big, they were huge fans of the K-pop genre.
Mm-hmm.
They were obsessed with Big Bang, EXO, iKON, BTS, and more. Heck, they even covered girl
Oh,
groups.
shit, man. Kita mo yun?
Heck, they even
Okay, so kaya di pa nung isa. So, ginawa niya yun sa Where You At, no? Pero grabe. Hindi ko ulitin. Alam niyo ba, nagkaroon ako ng muscle pain noon dito sa likod ng ano ko, ng binti ko.
they even covered girl groups.
Wow.
And because of that, this photo becomes extra special because this was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity
Once in a
for Josh
lifetime.
and Stel to meet their idols. This was taken back in 2014 in Incheon, Korea, where they
2014, man.
competed and won in the yearly K-pop
2014. Come on, man.
Dance Cover Festival. This happened 8 years ago.
So, it's 2014. So, mali pala yung timeline na iniisip ko. Nung nag-perform siya in 2016. Pero bakit pala si Josh yung time na yun?
What's crazy is that 7 years later, they would go on to end up going toe-to-toe with their idols on the Billboard charts.
Yeah.
And because of 18's unrelenting support, SB19 will go on to break an all-time record.
Let's go. Oh,
They say a picture is worth
number
1,000
one.
words. This one for me is worth about a couple of million.
Mm-hmm.
And just one of many rare and fascinating SB19 photos with backstories that you have to see to believe. Hope you all enjoy. Just a quick reminder, you can either sit around watching inspiring testimonies or decide to become one.
What did I just said, man? I feel like every time na nanonood tayo ng Casual Chalk na video, no, yung point na siya na like kung or yung parang realization na nakuha ko every time na is the same palagi, no, sa nagiging parang gustong ipunto ni Casual Chalk sa video niya, no? But yeah, again, no, if you're going to just be discouraged, no, and tihinto ka na kasi natalo ka, no, di walang mangyayari, right? Kasi uminto ka na, discourage ka, so lalong hindi mo maaabot yung goal mo kasi uminto ka na eh, no? But yeah, no, so have to decide, man, if you want to become one or just sit there and watch other naabutin yung pangarap na gusto mo, no? But yeah, again, hindi mo kailangan maging hindi to para lang sa mga taong nangarap na maging parang sa ganito, like performer, sa lahat ng bagay, man. Like sa dami sa business, no? Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa business, no? Na-discourage ka, natalo ka, or hindi masyadong pumapatok yung business mo ngayon, dito ka ba? Parang kung gusto talaga yung gusto mo, right? Lahat, applicable sa lahat, man. Let's go! Oh, ganda pa ng ano nila dito, no? Kasi parang yung sa may parang dinidevelop yung picture, no? Meron pang animation na ganito. Nice naman. Alright, well again, that's Casual Chuck. Amazing stories behind SB19 Wear photos, no? Kung tutusin, kung titignan mo yung mga photos na yon, like without any like context or story, man, I mean, sa mga pinaka nakakatawa doon is yung kay Josh and kay Ken. Of course, yung kumakain sila kasi isipin mo talaga na umiyak sila, no? Pero aside from that photo, no, yung lahat ng photo dito, may kita mo yung ano na yung paano ba sabihin to? Yung tao na nangangarap na, kasi diba like Justin, the first photo, right? In Itbulaga, diba? Ano sila picture, nanalo sila, like, you know, napilos pa sa Facebook ng Itbulaga, diba? Makikita mo si Justin, again, picture ng nangangarap, right? Meron silang grupo, K-Trops, no? We do have, for example, like yung picture na umiyak si Pablo sa stage, no? After ng like nationwide concert nila. Again, picture ng taong andun na, no? Punta na sa pangarap. Alright? Yung picture ni Josh and ni Stel kasama yung BTS, di ba? Like again, picture ng nangangarap, no? So yun yung pinaka parang pinagkapare-parehas ng mga pictures or rare photos na pinesent sa atin ni Casual Chuck dito, no? So yeah, I mean again, kung ikaw meron kang pangarap, no? Of course meron, posibleng wala, right? So lahat naman tayo may pangarap, pero I just gonna sit around and just bahala na si Batman, ganon. Si Batman na naman, bahala. Diba? Pagod na si Batman. But yeah, nasa na yun. But as a reaction for today, may sana nagustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto mo sabutin yung artist, singer, rapper, songman. Comment down below. Nagera tayo dyan. And that's it from today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.